And so let's say you're doing that and you're still having cravings. What are some safe snacks that you can have?
There's lots of great snacks that you can have. In What to Eat When, we talk a lot about roasted chickpeas being a great snack, because chickpeas are a Power 5 food, right? Beans, and they're loaded with fiber and they're loaded with protein, and those are the things that help you feel full. And when you roast them, they get crunchy, and so they're satisfying as a snack and good for you. Some other good snacks, like the obvious things, fruits and, vegetables with hummus, great snack. Again, you're getting fiber and you're getting protein. That's kind of the best type of snack, I think. It's not sugar. Yeah. It's something with fiber and protein together, or fat.
Okay. And they're satisfying, you feel full.
They should be satisfying, and you'll feel full after eating them, and you don't have to feel guilty.
And there's a whole field called nutritional psychiatry where you eat certain foods to support your brain, supposedly to help you beat depression and anxiety. What are some of those foods?
Yeah, so if you look at the data on sort of depression, it's pretty interesting, actually, right? You have some studies that show that people who are eating the Mediterranean-style diet have a lower incidence of depression than people eat a more sort of American unhealthy diet.
And that's not because they're like hanging on the Riviera, because you said that people have the Mediterranean diet
that's right.
in other regions of the world. Right?
Exactly.
Okay.
And I found there's two randomized controlled trials that are very small, where they put people on a Power 5 style diet, so eating those foods or Mediterranean style foods, and they actually found a decrease in depressive symptoms in those people compared to the people who were in the control group. And the control group was continue on your regular diet, but they added like some type of social intervention, or I think one of the studies they added like a friend or someone who interacting with you, because in the diet arm you had a counselor who was helping you eat the right way. The Power 5 foods are the foods that are associated with better mental health. And it makes sense. I went to medical school, where I became a doctor because I was really passionate. I thought I was going to be a psychiatrist, actually. Oh, really? Yeah. I was really passionate about the brain, and I was really interested in the intersection of physical health and mental health. And the things that I believe, and you can tell me what you think, the things that are good for our physical health are good for our mental health, right? And vice versa. And there's a big influence from one to the other, and we sort of separate them in our minds and in our world, right? But really, they're intricately linked. And so all the things that are good for your heart and good for preventing diabetes are good for your mental health. Right.